one of the most significant snowstorms ever to impact the southern Rockies during November, dropped feet of snow and hampered traffic along the Interstate 25 corridor in New Mexico and Colorado. Snow from the slow-moving storm system began falling on Election Day, and within a 4-day stretch, snowfall totals reached over a foot in parts of the Denver metro and approached 3 feet in the southeast region of the state. Winter weather alerts were issued for more than 5 million residents across 6 states, as snowfall totals eclipsed November records set since the 1980s. Colorado Governor Jared Polis declared a disaster emergency and activated the National Guard for the hardest-hit counties. The state's Department of Transportation warned of difficult travel and said some roadways may be impassable through the Veterans Day weekend. Due to the recent snowfall, several ski resorts were expected to open, leading to additional travel headaches along the Interstate 70 corridor. Adverse driving conditions should be anticipated on Interstate 70 west of Denver to the Idaho Springs Saturday morning. Drivers should plan on additional travel time. Skiers and riders are encouraged to carpool whenever possible to help reduce the number of vehicles on the road. CDOT's Snowstang, a seasonal shuttle service from the Denver metro area to Summit County ski resorts, will start on December 14, 2024, CDOT said in a statement. Denver International Airport received 9.3 inches of snow in 24 hours, and just over 18 inches over the 3-day period. The most November snowfall in a 72-hour period since 21.5 inches fell in late November 1983, according to the FOX Forecast Center.
Das ist Parkhaus 20.
Come on, baby.
Runways remained open at DIA, but hundreds of flights were canceled into and out of the United Airlines hub.
Already for me, paid? Already paid. Yeah, one more. Yeah.
According to data from FlightAware, more than 480 flights were canceled on Friday. while nearly 800 were delayed as ice and snow reduced visibilities. Further south in northeastern New Mexico, nearly 100 vehicles became trapped during blizzard-like conditions near the small town of Des Moines. Snowdrifts of several feet and gusty winds complicated rescue efforts in the rural region of the state on Thursday. New Mexico Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham issued statewide emergency declarations that unlocked $1.5 million in funding for winter storm response efforts. The winter-like storm was a surprise to many, as the region recently experienced one of the driest and warmest Octobers in memory. The mile-high city's average temperature was 8 degrees above normal, while Albuquerque, New Mexico, reported average readings of more than 7 degrees above typical values. During La Niña events, the southwest and southern Rockies tend to experience less storminess and snowfall deficits, with more moisture around during neutral and positive phases of what is known as the El Niño Southern Oscillation. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to update the latest and most accurate weather information. See you in the next news.